Good morning everyone, welcome back to Get Ready With Me Moonlight Monday. Even when everything seems dark, today is the day when the moon shines in your heart. It is a good first day of the week when you can get going with a clear head. So let's get started with the moonlight look. I'm picking up hammock with my big fluffy brush and blend that into my crease. Start doing some windshield wiper motions and then turn it into circular motions. I'm going to go ahead and grab this caramel shade to darken up my crease area. This is a very bright silver shimmer shade. I'm just going to apply that all over my eyelid. Diving into hers. I'm tapping the shade on the outer V area. Angel of Death is perfect for the lower lash line. Now I'm blending out both colors with pounding cake. Star Split is the perfect shimmer shade for my tear duct. And I'm also applying the shade to my brow bone. I want to use some glitter to give it a bit more sparkle. With Shine On, I want to close the gap between hers and Wise. Filling in my eyebrow with a jet black color. Using some highlighter, blush, and my tribal bone earring. There you have it, a beautiful moonlight look. Thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you later. Bye!